Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will discuss a heart-shaking and courageous moment of an American female pilot who made an emergency takeoff in a very tense situation. Prepare yourself to watch this extraordinary story. The female pilot we are talking about is Captain Sarah Johnson, an experienced pilot in the United States Air Force. She is known as one of the best pilots with thousands of flying hours and dangerous missions that have been completed. On a seemingly ordinary day, Captain Sarah was preparing for a routine mission. However, suddenly, an emergency alarm went off. There was a threat of a surprise attack that required all fighter planes on base to take off as quickly as possible. In an emergency situation like this, every second is precious. Captain Sarah quickly ran to her plane, the F-16 Fighting Falcon, and immediately prepared to take off. However, what made this situation even more tense was the bad weather conditions and the unstable runway. Ideal, with strong winds and heavy rain, Captain Sarah had to face a huge challenge. As the plane's engine started and it began to roll down the runway, the entire team at the base looked on in worry. The plane accelerated down the runway, battling wind and rain. A few seconds felt like an eternity, but Captain Sarah remained calm and focused. With extraordinary skill, she managed to lift the plane off the runway, overcoming extremely challenging weather conditions. The plane successfully flew, and the emergency mission began. Captain Sarah's courage and calmness in dealing with this situation is an inspiration to many people, especially women who dream of becoming pilots. That's the thrilling story of Captain Sarah Johnson. A true example of the courage and professionalism of a pilot. If you are inspired by this story, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for other interesting content. See you in the next video.